In the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a complete business system. By the end, you will have a ready-to-use portfolio, a targeted list of clients, and an actionable outreach strategy. Prepare your workspace now. Open 3 browser tabs: Claude for development, Google Sheets for your hit list, and Notion for your portfolio. The only thing separating an AI hobbyist from a professional is a structured system of execution. Let's build yours. Step 1 is the most critical. Pick exactly one service and pair it with one highly specific industry. Here are 3 proven combinations. You can build lead generation calculators for gyms, set up content repurposing systems for founders, or perform workflow audits for coaching businesses. Firm, pick one of these right now. You cannot proceed until you have committed to a specific niche. Step 2 is the build phase. You will allocate a dedicated 8-hour block to generate 3 distinct functional sample pieces using Claude. For example, if you chose the gym niche, you'll prompt Claude to write the HTML and JavaScript for a BMI calculator. You are essentially asking the AI to output cascading blocks of code for you. You don't need to be a developer. Your job is simply to copy the generated output and verify that it functions as promised. When you present these to a client, shift your focus away from the technology itself. You aren't selling AI, you are selling business outcomes. This chart shows the shift. That calculator on a gym's website operates as a lead magnet, pulling in contact info for every new visitor. You are selling leads and time, not software. Completing these 3 samples gives you a body of work you can actually demonstrate, putting you ahead of anyone still stuck in the research phase. Step 3 is packaging your work into a professional digital storefront and optimizing your social profiles. Organize your 3 samples into a clean, shareable Notion page. This document acts as your portfolio, proving you can deliver on your promises. Now for the bio positioning trick. Remove all mentions of AI or tech from your social profiles. Replace them with outcome-based titles, like lead generation specialist for local fitness centers. Based on conversion data, business owners respond to descriptions of the problems you solve, not the tools you use. Step 4 moves you from preparation to active market prospecting. Start mapping out local businesses or founders to build a 50-target spreadsheet. Use Maps or LinkedIn. Pay close attention to this 4th column. Find one hyper-specific detail about each prospect, like a recent award, to prove you've done your research. A micro list of 50 heavily researched targets is more likely to result in a deal than a mass-scraped list of thousands. Step 5 is the actual execution of your outreach using that customized spreadsheet. Do not use a mass copy-paste template. Business owners can spot automated spam from a mile away. A failing message talks about tech and asks for a budget. A successful, personalized message mentions their specific business and offers a custom demo. For your first deal, prioritize a video testimonial over cash. Documenting that first success allows you to overcome the skepticism of your next 50 prospects. Treating your first client as a proof of concept builds the case study you need to command premium prices for every deal that follows. Let's recap. You've chosen a niche, built 3 samples, set up your portfolio, identified 50 targets, and personalized your outreach. You have just assembled a full business architecture. By following this structure, you have moved from studying AI concepts to owning a functional service business. The final directive is simple. Close this video and start sending those custom pitches from your spreadsheet. The entire system remains completely worthless until you send that very first direct message.